Alright guys, let's talk manufacturing. We're diving into the ultimate showdown: 3D printing versus injection molding. It's like the tortoise and the hare of the production world. Both get you to the finish line, but in totally different ways. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, choosing the right method can make or break your project. So stick around, because we're gonna break down the pros and cons, show you some cool examples, and by the end you'll be able to pick the perfect process for your next big idea. Let's do this. First up, we've got 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. This technology has revolutionized the way we think about creating objects. Imagine this: you design something awesome on your computer, hit print, and boom, a machine starts building it right in front of you, layer by layer. It's like watching your imagination come to life. It's like magic, but with more plastic or metal. The precision and detail that these machines can achieve are truly astounding. This tech is a game changer for prototyping. Engineers and designers can now bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Need to test a new design? No problem. 3D. Print a few versions, see what works, make some tweaks and print again. This iterative process saves time and resources. This rapid iteration is what makes 3D printing so powerful. It allows for continuous improvement and innovation. Plus, you can create some seriously complex shapes that traditional manufacturing can only dream of. The possibilities are endless with 3D printing technology. On the other side, we've got injection molding, the heavyweight champ of mass production. This process is a game changer in the manufacturing world. This technique's been around for ages, and for a good reason. It revolutionized how we produce everyday items. It's fast, efficient, and can pump out thousands, even millions of identical parts. The precision and speed are unmatched. Here's how it works. We heat up plastic or other materials until it's like gooey cheese ready to be shaped, inject it into a mold which is custom designed for the specific part we need, let it cool down and harden, solidifying into the exact shape of the mold, and bam, you've got yourself a part. This process is repeated over and over with incredible consistency. Think of anything mass-produced: toys, phone cases, even car parts. They all benefit from this technology. A lot of them started their lives in an injection molding machine. It's the backbone of modern manufacturing. Now let's break down the good, the bad, and the ugly of each method, starting with 3D printing. One of the biggest advantages is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a massive factory or $1 million to get started. A decent 3D printer can fit on your desk and won't break the bank. This makes it accessible for hobbyists, small businesses, and even educational purposes. Plus, that rapid prototyping we talked about, huge time saver, especially in the early stages of a project. You can quickly iterate designs and test them out without waiting weeks for a prototype. But here's the catch: when it comes to mass production, 3D printing can get pricey and time-consuming. Each part takes time to build layer by layer, and the materials can be more expensive compared to traditional methods. Additionally, the quality and durability of 3D printed parts can sometimes fall short of those produced through conventional manufacturing techniques. So while 3D printing is fantastic for prototyping and small-scale production, it may not always be the best choice for large-scale manufacturing. Now, injection molding: if you need a ton of parts, this is your go-to. Once you've got your molds made, the production cost per unit plummets. Plus, those molds are built to last, so you can crank out parts for years to come. But here's the trade-off: those molds are expensive to make. We're talking thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. And if you need to make changes to your design, get ready to shell out even more cash for new molds. So, while injection molding is a beast for mass production, it's not exactly kind to your wallet up front. So when does 3D printing come out on top? If you're in the early stages of development and need to test out prototypes quickly, 3D printing is your best friend. It's also perfect for creating complex geometries that would be impossible to manufacture with traditional methods. And if you only need a small batch of parts, 3D printing can be more cost-effective than injection molding. Think custom prosthetics, one-of-a-kind jewelry, or even parts for a Mars rover. 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But when it's time to scale up and produce thousands or millions of parts, injection molding takes the crown. Once those molds are made, you can churn out parts with incredible speed and consistency. Plus, the cost per unit drops dramatically as you produce more, making it the clear winner for mass-produced goods. Think consumer electronics, medical devices, or even those little plastic bricks we all know and love. Injection molding is the backbone of modern manufacturing. BP, Nell Consulting, your manufacturing allies. Choosing between 3D printing and injection molding can be tough, but that's where BP Nell Consulting comes in. These guys are the manufacturing gurus, and they have helped countless businesses navigate the world of production. They have their own in-house 3D print facility where they can do prototyping for their clients and even small production runs. They have the latest Bamboo Labs P1S 3D printer with the capability to print materials such as glass-filled nylon, PA6GF, carbon fiber-filled materials, ABS, polycarbonate, PLA, and even TPU for flexible silicon-type products. They will sit down with you, understand your project needs, and guide you towards the best manufacturing solution, whether it's 3D printing for rapid prototyping or injection molding for mass production. BP Nell Consulting has got your back. So there you have it, the ins and outs of 3D printing and injection molding. If you're ready to take your manufacturing game to the next level, contact BP Nell Consulting for industrial and 3D product design. They'll help you choose the right process, optimize your designs, and get your products to market faster than ever before. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome engineering content. Hopefully you've learned a thing or two about the wonderful world of manufacturing. Remember, choosing the right process is crucial, so don't be afraid to reach out to the experts at BP Nell Consulting. They'll help you navigate the ins and outs of 3D printing and injection molding so you can bring your ideas to life. Until next time, keep those gears turning.